Okay, folks, Brogan had a question related to the multiple choice question in the section Propositional Logic and Truth Tables, particularly question 9. Now, I just want to give you some advice on how to approach a question like this. This is asking if this, then that is equivalent to. Now, each component here is a biconditional component, so if and only if and only if. But we'll pay attention to that now. Let's see how we deal with this. If you look at all, I'm only looking at option A, guys. So if you look at all the options, you'll see that this and that occurs over and over again. So I'm going to introduce this as A and that as B. In every single question, that remains the same, that is the same, that is, and that is the same. It's these things that change. So I'm going to call this C, and I'm going to call that D. So I'm going to look at not, the condition is not, or the propositional logic I'm going to look at is A, not A, and B, over here, or not C and D. Now that narrows it down, or makes it quite a lot easier to work with. So here on the side, A and B is true if and only if both of them are true. So if you go to page, I think it's page 199 of your book, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those that we said you should commit to memory. So usually it's true, the outcome of this is true, false, 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 but it's not A and B. So it will be false, true, true, true. And the same here, not C and D will be false, true, true, true. And now we're looking at the statement this or that. Now you can remember our crib note that we used in our work all the time. I'm going to put it down here. A or P or Q, true when P or Q or both of them are true. So the outcome for this very first one would be that component is false. Here they true, 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 true. So false, true, true, true. Now let's just look at the initial statement. P, if and only if R, then Q, if and only if R. Now for both of these, remember what our note said to us. It's true when the one and the other or both of them are true or both are false. So this biconditional is true when P and Q are both true or both false. Now the condition will be true if you go to your book in page 199. Let me just show you which page I'm referring to. I'm referring to that set of notes that you see over there. We're going to particularly look at the last one. So the last one is usually true, false, false, true, and then true, false, false, true. And now we're looking at if the first, then the second. Okay, so if this, then that is true when this here is false. So we have a true and a true there. And then we go and look at where this one is true as well. Okay, so that is true there. And it's true here. So this is always resulting into 4 truths. Now folks, you go through every single one of them. B, you do the same. C, you do the same. D, you do the same. And then you pick the one that matches what you are looking for. Okay, so always check in long questions like this. Are there things that are the same that I can simply just replace with a symbol? It makes it so much easier than starting with a whole new truth table that takes care of everything. Brogan, I hope that helped you and that makes sense to everybody.